Most ways of earning a passive income require some initial effort. But soon, you'll be earning money while you sleep. Here are some ideas to get you started. First, let's start with one no one talks about, but is the easiest way to make money while you sleep. Opening a high-yield savings account with an online bank. Online banks like VioBank.com are currently paying up to 2.52%. While this won't make you filthy rich, it is a safer way to make consistent income and not lose money since they are FDIC insured. Second, affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and services. You can earn money every time someone clicks your affiliate link. You can also put ads on your site. Last, but certainly not least, create YouTube videos. Every day, regular people like you and me are making money on YouTube. Each time someone watches one of your videos, ads can appear, and you can make money from those ads. It can take a lot of time up front, but once your videos are live, there is potential for you to make passive income from each video indefinitely. What do you have to lose? Click the link below for more information.